In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got my nasty, moldy dishwasher to look nice and clean. I'm also going to explain to you why it got so moldy so quickly. And lastly, the consequences of not cleaning the dishwasher filter. Let's get into it. Okay, so as embarrassing as it is for me to show you this, I'm going to go ahead and give you a peek into my moldy dishwasher. This is what was going on here. We got the pink mold and even some of the brown looking mold going, and this all occurred in a matter of a couple months. Didn't really take that long to get to this condition. As you can see here, the filter, which I did not even know was the filter, I found out through this entire process, does not look any better. Now quickly, before I show you exactly how I cleaned the dishwasher, I want to explain how it reached this condition in the first place. A normal functioning dishwasher should not get moldy like this. However, in the case of my dishwasher, the heating element had broken. This dishwasher wasn't working properly. So essentially, I would run my dishwasher at night, go to sleep, wake up the next morning, and the dryer had not worked all night. My dishes and my pans were basically sitting in a wet, damp, and dark environment the whole night. Now, you could probably get away with this 1-2 times, and it's probably not a big deal. However, if you go months like this without the dishwasher having a proper way to dry itself, then you're probably going to run into a problem. Now, enough babbling. Let's get to cleaning. All right, so I'm going to start off by putting on some gloves, and I'm going straight for the filter. I'm going to open that up, and oh gosh, that is so disgusting. I did not even know this was a filter. I didn't know it could get like this. This is my first time experiencing this. It makes me sick just thinking about my previous dishwashers. Now, if you look closely here, you'll notice that I have standing water here and water all the way to the very top. That is a problem. That means that that filter was so clogged that it wouldn't even drain the water properly. So now the obvious thing to do is get that filter as clean as possible. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. And right now I'm just cleaning it with my hands, and I'm going to clean it up with a scouring pad as well. Now that I got that filter clean, I'm going to start working on that standing water. I'm going to go ahead and stick my hand in there and just start trying to get all the grime off, all that mold, all that buildup, and just break that up as much as possible and see if we can get that to drain. Now I'm going to go ahead and run just a quick cycle and pray that that standing water will drain. Okay, here we are after that quick cycle, and let's see if that filter was able to drain. And voila, it did. You can see that it still needs to be cleaned up a little bit more, and I'll take care of that, but at least we got that water to drain down properly. So next was this vent area, and I was struggling to get it off, so I had my husband help me, but this was another area that had a bit of mold and really needed to be cleaned as well. So when it came to cleaning the inside of the dishwasher, I wanted to be very careful to use something that was not going to be too harsh or toxic or, I chose not to use bleach on the inside. I actually chose to use vinegar to clean the whole inside of the dishwasher. I wanted something natural and that wasn't going to be harmful in any way. So at this point, I grabbed my scouring pad and I went to work, just scrubbing away at every bit of that dishwasher. Went ahead and popped the vent cover back in place and decided to run the dishwasher with the removable filter and the screen on the top rack. I also added a cup filled with vinegar all the way to the top. And this is what I used to clean the inside of the dishwasher. This time I ran it on a normal cycle with the heat dry off. since at the time of this video, my heater was not working. And here we are after our normal cycle. Voila! Everything looks nice and beautiful. It's very clean. The mold is gone. Everything is looking really great. This worked like a charm. If we look closer here, we can see that this area is perfect too. Our standing water is nice and clear. It's not moldy. There is a little bit of water there, but according to a quick Google search, that is normal. It's supposed to have a little bit of standing water in there so the filter doesn't get dried out. I'm going to go ahead and pop back the screen here and place our nice clean filter back in place. I can't believe this is the same filter. And look at this. Beautiful. We had wonderful results, and I am so pleased with it. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I had never cleaned a dishwasher before, so I had no idea what I was doing. I looked it up on YouTube, and I found this really great video. I'm going to do the right thing and give credit where credit is due. It was called How to Deep Clean Your Dishwasher by a channel called Apartment Maintenance Pro. Now, I didn't do every single little thing that he did in his video, but I did enough to get my dishwasher clean as well. So thank you, Apartment Maintenance Pro, for helping me out. So there you have it, guys. That is how I got my dishwasher nice and clean. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got a lot of information out of it, and I hope it was helpful to you. If you like what you see here, please be sure to like, subscribe, and maybe even comment. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next video. Bye-bye.